Well, it's a Tractor Tuesday. Let's do Tractor Tuesday stuff. It's been a while since I've done one. Well, doggone it all, she's fixed. She's back in action. And if you watch the other video where she kind of didn't really break down on me, but got kind of wonky on me, about, I don't know, 10 or 12,000 of you did. So for you people that watched, what happened was, and I explained in the video, I thought the splines going back in might have been a little bit wonky. No, it wasn't. It was the PTO lever in and of itself. And so got a new plate, and the bottom of that lever had to be basically welded up and refit. So she works like a charm now, and I'll show you what it looked like before and after the bottom of that lever. Well, there you go. That's the before. Pretty sure nobody's ever pulled that lever out of there. That's worn, half moon, and then, you know, just threw some stock on it. Backed around and functioning again. So full service has been done. Engine oil, front wheels packed, everything's greased. This thing's ready for the season. Did order a lift arm from Birch Tractor, and that would be this. 65 bucks. I was like, you know what? I know a guy that's got some parts for me. We're going to have to coordinate eventually, maybe when the weather gets better and the days continue to get longer. But yeah, for 65 bucks to have a new one that's not, you know, a farmer weld done on it, and this tractor be ready to rock. I'll change the oil in it as soon as I change that rod out. Good to go. Tractor here, the 55. I was going to do an overhaul this year. I think that's on hold. And what I'm just going to do is a full tune on it. Those are already packed. This tractor's got it all. I mean, new brakes and different things like that. There's enough here, the you know, the basis of it, that I'm just going to throw a tune-up kit in it and oil change, grease it, and send it. And this one here, I don't know, I'll probably plow with it a little bit. Already got the discs on the back, but that was basically, you know, extra wheel weight, so I didn't have to run chains on it. I do have a set of chains for it, but I ended up not plowing at all with it this year, and it worked out pretty good with the back blade on the Super C. Somebody said in a previous video, oh, you got a flat tire in that front. That's not a flat, that's down in a hole. The chickens made those craters by doing dust baths. Well, let's do a regulators mount up, fire it up, and head out and finish it up. Oh, well, not really down with that. This is where the flip seats are nice. Well, pick up where we left off. And yes, I am standing up on the tractor. Hoping most of that water drains out of that hole. Yeah, the clover's coming in nice. We haven't even had consistent warm days. Just long days, longer. All right. Yeah. Get out of gear. About haste. Jeez, come on. Oh, let's see. This is gonna drive me nuts. Yeah. Wrong way. Get you twisted. Sucker's gonna be hot. There we go. That'll work. Tell you one thing, the tractor sounded pretty good. Oh, old wet rag. It'd be so bad if it was like 70 degrees out. It's like, believe it or not, it looks really nice, but it's like 39. There we go. Got her done. And got the rain cap in the right, facing the right position. She should fire up, but always likes a little choke, I've noticed. And then no choke. Now choke off. Yeah. It's just, they're all finicky and weird. But yeah, this is the new lift arm that I ordered for 65 bucks. You can just about make one, honestly, if you had the time. But I see here when that went out, the little spring there down there, but anyways, that went out. I stopped mowing here. It looks mowed, but it's not, so I'm going to hit that and then just come back through all this thick crap and get it done finally. All right. I'm going to go, we'll go second. And PTO, mount up. Yeah, a little too much. Lower the boom. That should do it. Get it spinning, you're fine. Yeah, there we go. Second gear. Moving at a decent clip. Yeah, this part here I missed because now it kept popping out. Ain't popping out now though. Pop a roach. Tell you what, I get a lot of questions about these duals, and I'm going across some bumpy terrain, and it sure makes it nice. All this green here, it came in nice. This is Ladino clover, and where I started mowing right there, and then left the remnants of the goldenrod. That's where the clover stops, and that's going to be our play area. pretty much over there, so that'll be soon. But yeah, we've had a lot of rain as of late. Ground's a little gooey. Another reason to run dual. Thursday that we're going to go to, and it's kind of hay oriented. Rakes, tethers, looks like it may be a disc vine, hay vine, and a couple of tractors with really low hours, like 3 to 400. And then what I found weird was there's like a Farmall seat missing a front tire. So I don't know. Auction, and we'll be kicking it with Pico, so. And then Friday I'll do an auction preview over at Doug Chesley. That's his annual consignment sale, April 5th in Northeast. So probably head over to that and see what they got. Last year they had a little three-wheeler Yamaha. I should have bought it, but a kid was bidding on it. I let him have the toy. Looks doing nice. Some of this is down and I just go lower and slower. Lower with the deck and slower with the tractor, and it grabs it pretty good. Well, the only thing I wish, like this should have a shield on it. Like this. And actually I might steal that one. Let me see. Yeah. I bought this at a Kiko auction. It's the same mower. This is newer. You know, how much newer exactly, I don't know. But good grief, I could actually use this entire thing. Oh, and the other thing that's on here are these, the slides. Yes, yes, yes. This is actually a nicer mower. Huh, no kidding. Well, I got to figure out if I'm going to rob Peter to pay Paul, or I'm just going to put the whole dang unit on there. I don't know. But these for sure. And this needs to go on that other one. And I'll paint them. You know, should be old Yeller. Well, I'm going to get back to mowing. I will see you guys Thursday night after the auction. And then Friday night we'll do a preview of the Doug Chesley auction out Northeast. And then more than likely Saturday attend that very auction. Videos coming up. So, and there's a whole bunch of stuff coming up. You wouldn't believe it. I actually sat down and looked at it, and I was like, if there were just 5 of me, you know. So I'll see you.